Hey, good afternoon, more Medic 1. Today we're working on a Grasshopper. It's got a 61-inch deck, I believe, but it's got the diesel engine, and I'm replacing the battery in it. And the issue is, it's a side post battery like a Chevrolet, and these side post battery terminals suck. These battery cable lugs only have a 5/16 head. And if you get any corrosion on them, they'll twist off. You can tighten them up with a wrench or a pair of pliers here, but you're not going to be, sometimes you may not have enough room. Let's walk out to the truck and I'll show you my fix. As you can tell, you can actually make your own battery lugs out of some 3/8 nuts and bolts. What you do is you find one that's about the same size, and then I run a nut backwards down on it so it has a good flat surface right here to grab onto the battery cable. I got another one here for the positive side. It's a little bit taller. All you'll do is run this all the way in and then till this bottoms out, and then you tighten the nut against the cable and the battery and you're good to go. When you tighten up your positive lead, which is the one you want to tighten up first anyway, you just get the bolt tight and then tighten this nut and then get it tight and your battery cable is secure. Only do this if you have enough room. You don't want this to rub up against anything metal, and as you can tell, there's plenty of room to keep that from happening. Let's go ahead and get the negative one put on and we'll see how it turns out. So I've got both my homemade battery terminals on. This is a good repair. I recommend this repair. It does away with those junky terminals that come from the factory. So let's give it a start. Here's a little something that a lot of Grasshopper owners don't even know, and they're like, really? You have to do that? I just grind on it until it cranks. Well, if you take the key and see how it's spring loaded, well, if you'll hold it for about 20 seconds, it's heating up those glow plugs. There's no light to tell you that it's on or off. You just have to count down. So that's good. This thing hadn't been cranked in about a week or two, so let's see. Try it again. Hear the relay click. Give it a little gas. One more time, baby. Come on. Oh yeah. See if it's charging. Good to go. And it's about 30 degrees outside, 27, something like that. Pretty chilly. But anyway, it stays inside this little Connex out of the weather, which is good. But I'm going to go ahead and check for the service on it. It's 1,126 and the hours is 1,060. So it's got a little bit to go before I have to give it a good service. But if you have any questions about how I did this or how to go about doing this battery terminal repair, let me know. Mower Medic 1. Have a great day.